The privileges of the president include the following: official residence, salary. The salary is determined by law and not to be decreased during his tenure. The president has presidential immunity. The president shall have immunity from suit for official acts during his tenure. After his tenure, the chief executive cannot invoke immunity from suit for civil damages arising out of acts done by him while he was president, which were not performed in the exercise of official duties. The rule is that unlawful acts of public officials are not acts of the state, and the officer who acts illegally is not acting as such but stands in the same footing as any other trespasser. The intent of the framers of the Constitution is clear, that the immunity of the president from suit is concurrent only with his tenure and not his term. Applying the foregoing rationale to one case, the court held that it is clear that former President Arroyo cannot use the presidential immunity from suit to shield herself from judicial scrutiny that would assess whether, within the context of amparo proceedings, she was responsible or accountable for the abduction of Rodriguez. So this was in the matter of the petition for the writ of amparo and habeas data in favor of Noriel Rodriguez. Presidential privilege. The executive privilege is the power of the president to withhold certain types of information from the courts, the Congress, and ultimately the public. Presidential conversations, correspondence, or discussions during closed-door cabinet meetings, like the internal deliberations of the Supreme Court and other collegiate courts, or executive sessions of the House of Congress, are recognized as confidential. This kind of information cannot be pried open by a co-equal branch of the government.